Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, Toyota Entune, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2014 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.